Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a very small Amazon haul. These were charms that were ordered back 2 weeks back, and they're just slowly trickling in. This was part of the other stash that I had ordered with the charms, the enamel hearts and all that. So here we have some Christmas charms, and I doubled up this one because it was so inexpensive. I'll make sure I share the link in the description box, but this is what comes in the pack. And I tried to record this earlier, but I ran out of storage, so now I'm basically just, redoing it. It's less dramatic and a little more calm, but that is what I've got. So this Amazon, I think was this haul, what I'm trying to say is a smaller kit, but I ordered 2. So the thing about Amazon, when you order stuff from them, they don't give you an invoice. And I doubled this order, so I don't know. It doesn't even say how many pieces, and I'll make sure I share that link with you guys, but this is what's in the kit. Just know that it's doubled, okay? So there's double the amount of what you're supposed to be receiving. Alright, so that's what it looks like. We've got some Santas, we've got some angels, we have some Christmas bells. There's 2 different styles of Christmas bells. Hope you guys can see that. There's one here with the holly and the berries, and then there's one here with just the gold bow. There's some stockings like that, and then it's this tiny little reindeer with the big fat nose. You guys can see all that. I thought they were very, very cute. And I wanted to get some so I could share with some Happy Mail for Christmas, or make a bracelet for Christmas or something. I love wearing Christmas jewelry. That is the most I will wear majority of the time. So yeah, there's a bunch. There's so many, guys. Candy cane. So here's a double candy cane with the bow, gold bow. Here's a single candy cane. It's just one that has the little tiny bow on there. I hope you guys can see. I hope my phone is focusing, because sometimes it just doesn't want to focus. And there's several Santa Clauses, some stockings. Christmas trees are definitely super cute. Lots of reindeer, which are very cute. Christmas trees. Some wreaths. We have these wreaths here. They're the same, the exact same, but they're gold. They're all gold finished, guys, so they're not and here's a Santa Claus with the little jewel on his hat. Let me see. Doesn't want to focus. Sorry about that, guys. There's a Santa, the crescent moon. Oh gosh, let me know. I would take pictures of these anyway, so these little snowflakes, the jingle bells, there's snowmen. I already showed you the candy cane and the wreaths, the little angel, lots and lots of candy canes, single candy canes, and Christmas trees. Lots of Christmas trees. Very cute. A lot of reindeers and wreaths. Little packages. Snowmen. I think they're adorable, guys. I hope you guys check it out. It's on Amazon and it's very affordable. It's not expensive, and you get a lot for your dollar. So I mean, it's probably not as cheap as AliExpress, but you'll get, it's worth it. You'll get it quicker than AliExpress. Let's say that. Okay. So some of the items only came as single pieces, like the hat, the boot, and the skate. The hat, the skate, and the snowflake. But there's a whole bunch of bells. So these are the same. So you get 4 of those. These are the same. And then there's one of this bell. And the candy canes, you get several. So, okay, just remember, keep in mind, it's a variety. It's not going to be exact amounts. So I hope you like it. I'll share the link down below in the description box. And check it out. It's on Amazon. So I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching.